I've already been taught these rules, and I think I understand them. What I'd really like is to learn the death moves.
Saying, there is no special move that is best. It all depends. Any move could be best. It's up to you when the time's right to move correctly, accurately, and with great speed. Like this, like this, like Not bad, but of course you need greater concentration, and of course more practice, as it's only through practice that the student masters the art.
You practice. I practice every day. Good.
Listen, our practice will be different today. I want you to forget that I'm your master and use all that I taught you.
That's what we call control. Something you may never understand. Remember, Kung Fu is the art of self-defense.
You'll never understand. You're hopeless in this art.
I'm not interested in killing. I just want to prove how bad your kicks are.
Don't ask questions. We're gonna teach you a lesson.
Your time has come. Time has come. Time has come. Time has come. Time has come.